Hi everyone, welcome to BrainBudge Academy YouTube channel and also welcome to free course on Selenium WebDriver with Java. If you are looking for Selenium WebDriver with Java course, I'm 100% sure, 100% confident you are in the best place in the world to learn Selenium. So before we gonna start Selenium WebDriver with the Java course, we will start with the basic FAQs, what students will gain from this course, etc. First one, this course covers all the concepts of Selenium to work in real-time projects. This is most important. To work in real-time projects, there are around 350 plus videos in this course, so which includes core Java also. Here we will cover Selenium basics, Selenium framework design, all these by using 8 top tools and techniques, which means you can learn everything related to Selenium WebDriver with Java in this single course. So no need to go anywhere, and most importantly, we will discuss every concept in real-time projects. So I'm 100% sure here we are going to discuss 8 top tools or techniques, which means any organization you go, so these tools definitely they are using. So these are very useful to you to enter into that organization and to work in real-time projects. So this is one single course. From this single course, you can learn all the Selenium related automation technologies available in the globe. 8 top tools we are going to discuss. So all the Selenium related automation technologies you can learn here. Here I will start from the scratch level. By end of this course, you are able to design your own framework. Starting from core Java, all topics from ground level we are going to cover in this course. And most importantly, every line of code will be written in front of you with live example. So I'm not going anywhere or take the code and paste here. I'm not going to do that. So each and every line of the code will be written in front of you. So that will help you to learn how to write the code, and that will help you to understand the code. And here one most important thing. So we are going to cover core Java, basics, Selenium, framework design. So what is the difference between our course and other courses available in the market? See, so if you see some courses in the market, what they do first, so they will teach 9 to 10 hours continuous Java concepts. So you, after watching 2 to 3 hours, feel that, so it is very difficult. Java is very difficult. So I don't want to go with this course. So to overcome that, so I am following one simple technique, one simple approach here. So we will start the course with some core Java basics and Selenium and Java and Selenium. So If you go like this, you will never feel tough anywhere. You will never bore anywhere. So you'll 100% learn everything and to crack the interview, to get into the job. So this is the first question. So next, how this course is special and unique compared to other Selenium courses in the market. So we already discussed this. So we'll start the training from scratch level, special approach in training Java with Selenium. So we'll start core Java basics, then Selenium, and Java and Selenium. So what if students have queries in training? So you are going to follow the videos regularly, and in that video there is a comment section. So you can post any question, any doubts in the comment section. I will going to reply, I will going to answer that question within 12 hours. So you will get the quick response also. How frequently this course is updated? So software every time it's going to update. You need to update day by day. So like that, this course will be frequently updated as per the latest versions of the Selenium. And students will can watch all the updated videos with free of cost from BrainBudge Academy YouTube channel. So whenever Selenium release latest version, so I will quickly go through that version and I will make a video on that if required. So in that case, it is very helpful to everyone. Next, how can I practice? This is very important. How can I practice? So in this course, I will provide you plenty of practice assignments, and I will give you quizzes for each and every section to test your knowledge. So I will give you the quizzes in BrainBudge Academy YouTube channel community. You can attempt those questions, or I will give you the quizzes in the video itself. So you can answer in the comment section. What else students can expect from this course? So other than this, you will get the detailed material for each and every video, every concept. You will get the code dumps. You can download those code dumps for your offline reference. And we will support with the interview preparation for automation positions. So during the course, so I will tell you what are the expected questions in the interview, and we will conduct some mock interviews, and also we will give you the total Selenium related interview questions list. So this is very helpful to your interview preparation. And if you complete this course, 50% of the course if you complete, and if you send the message, if you want assistance for the resume preparation for your job, so I will also help you on that. So you can prepare the best resume for your job. So we will also help you on that. So these are the basic question and answers students have before we are going to start. So this is our first video. From today onwards, every day you will get one video. So you can follow, and most importantly, don't miss every day. Follow and crack the interview and get into the job with best package. I hope you like this one. If you like this video, if you like this course, if you want more courses like this, and please try to subscribe BrainBudge Academy YouTube channel, and also try to share these videos with your friends who are looking for the best Selenium WebDriver with the Java course with the free of cost. Thank you very much.